Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Apostle Alfred don sit down with Victor. They don't come with better advice for this Christmas wey dey come so. He said Christmas no be do or die affair, so make people take am easy. Make dem no go enter igbese because of say they wan celebrate Christmas. Make I leave you now with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for hear the advice wey him bring come today. Enjoy the video.
Na so e be. The English na Merry Christmas. My people, una good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Talk am as e be. Apostle Alfred, na be my name. My brother dey here. He be like saying don't change the name, I never know.
Good evening,
Make we hear.
good evening, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, good night.
We shall be good night. We join the coin, they say good night. That's what you dey be.
Wherever you're watching us live.
I don't understand. The blessed say this boy you need to give him a quick record though.
My name remains Victor Olise.
My people, una good evening. God go bless all of una. You know, una today wonderful, una today special. All of una they sit down, they already listening to us. Now God go bless all of una because una too much. Now anywhere we reach, maybe our studio. So this one our natural first studio this evening. So anywhere we for meet ourselves in our studio. So because talk am as it be. So this evening, why we put mouth for one matter? Christmas no be do or die affair. Christmas no be do or die affair at all. My brother, Christmas don't come. Make you put mouth for this matter because this Christmas matter because so many things they with me I will talk I will let you know say they never marry, they never born, so they don't know how Christmas be. He never marry. So God, Christmas no be do or die affair, but talk am.
All right. Good evening, everybody. You're right here for Nigeria. Time is few minutes to 5, and our topic today, Christmas no be do or die, and a very vital topic for us. Why? Sake of say, okay, Victor, no let us force to give you red card today. Okay, sir. We don't see the red card. We don't give President Bubu the red card.
Better. We don't give Bubu red card. Sack.
Well done, sir. And so, why should we talk about Christmas? What is the simple reason why this Xmas period, why it be say each and every one of us, tension they always dey.
Hello, we did live broadcast now. I'm Budizo.
Hello, it's Adomo.
Like a program, like a broadcast. Go.
Hello.
Yes, I'm a broadcast, like a broadcast.
Okay, sir. All right, I'll call you back.
I said they be.
All right, so the talk they go. Wetin dey very very special for this December time where we say everywhere dey always dey heat up. Where we say na that December time we know say we must wear new clothes.
We must chop rice.
Na that December time we know say
we'll buy shoe.
By force.
We'll buy Mary Kay.
We must buy Mary Kay.
We'll buy Ghana with Von.
Okay.
We'll buy eyelashes.
Okay.
We'll buy Ferrari.
Okay.
We'll buy Zonto.
Okay.
We go buy Jacquazzi.
Okay.
We go buy fingernail.
Okay.
We go buy eyelashes.
Okay.
We go do everything.
Okay.
We go buy Akpola shoe. We go wear Shimiron. We want wear suit. We want wear up and down.
Okay.
We want wear to match.
Apart they list everything.
We want do pedicure, manicure, leg cure, hand cure, nose cure, ear cure. Now that I want put hole for everywhere.
Okay.
Now that I want shayo.
Okay.
Now that I want begin to go where I want feel good.
Okay.
My brother, Christmas no be do other affair. Just as my brother, he never married, so he don't know how far. Because I know say when this month, mama they sold 2 years. Clothes where they ship for 2 years. They don't go wear on this year, you go still wear on next year, go wear on upper year. So now be the cloth where they sew for her. Now you know who die. If money not there to buy chicken, no veg, at least there's so no crayfish, so no river fish, snail day. You maybe forest zone area. You look for
a personal verse. If now here you want pass come this evening. No. When you first said that this topic will talk this evening. Yes. I will try to understand. But this when you talk say it's not crayfish, a personal verse.
Bro, I say Wait,
No,
I said Christmas not be do that affair now.
In as much as I understand, so no be do.
Not be do that affair,
Yes.
brother. If you not get money to chop rice, no money to buy chicken, there is crayfish. If no crayfish, look for snake.
No, our parents must help us manage the little when they get.
If their parents not gonna get to call,
They go make the day.
how they want to get her?
No, Apostle.
My brother, see,
Okay,
come,
sir.
be careful. See, draw your ear. Draw your ear.
One of the two.
The two. Are you drawing it now?
Yes, sir.
If I make pain, if I hear pain, all right. Oh yeah, put your down.
All right. Okay.
I beg.
Okay, Apostle.
Christmas no be do or that affair. Manage what you get. No put yourself under pressure. If you don't get money to travel, you don't mean say you must travel. Travel not be by force, say you must travel for Christmas. If you don't get money to travel, relax. No go carry hypertension, say, I must travel. Oh. No. Relax. See, now the hurry make this called a dear market people, they take advantage. See, if money not there to buy chicken, you know see money not there. See, talk, say, I not get chicken. Oh.
Hey.
Wait first now. Wait.
I see my mama use crayfish.
Bro, your man don't use crayfish before. Mama, you know use crayfish, take cook fried rice for Christmas
That one
day.
na before.
Don't listen to this boy, you never married. Now, if you don't get money to buy chicken, talk, come and say, no money to buy chicken. Now, not be everybody will ask because some will carry your name go put for Facebook. Some people narrate you say, na me make and chop chicken. Person where you trust, say, no chicken, no IB. Go still find maybe the kid too. They fit give you one leg, no problem. Manage them. If they still give you the kidney, manage them. If they give you the wings, like my wife that she like chicken wings. If my wife where the chicken wings, where the gizzard now, where she they like. So if peradventure you come ask me, I feel not give you chicken wings because my wife they like her. I feel not give you gizzard because gizzard are for men and for women we they share them. So if you share the lap, Christmas, no be do or that affair. See, anything you get, manage them. Anything if you still offer to your friend, offer to your friend. No eat alone. Eat alone, you die alone. But nobody will die your death self. Everybody will die on our own. But it go good say this season of Christmas, make we share, make we accept, because people, a lot of people they be say no sit right job because of how things they go now. Some bank now never feel paint their bank. We have no money. Because if they come paint and my money and your money don't take paint and it get as it be. So I beg Christmas no be do that affair. No put yourself under pressure. No go carry hypertension because of Christmas. I use God beg una. See, I go need that take beg una this evening. I use God beg una. No put yourself under pressure. If you not see money to buy shirt, I beg. The shirt where they wardrobe, you never dirty. You cannot come and wash it. Iron, you go come straight. You put gator. You wear and you go fine. You go fine. When we dey small, it don't take my papa buy me shirt, but I must buy for my own children now. See, wetin dey keep most of us, we dey wait for 9 minutes. We go dey wait make December reach, make you come buy shirt. You no plan. So now this area, me I go want make Victor. He never marry. When I know they plan, you know, wetin we go plan for self. Like we now, we don't dey plan the come since. Chicken wey dey my freezer, me I tell you the truth, chicken wey I want for December, I buy am season, no be October. Since October now I buy the chicken. I will take am small. It dey sell freezer. I still go there take one lap, small. Because I don't say by December it will dear well. So I will take am small. Maybe my visitor still come. Like that mama wey buy a cow give up Mama Canada. The cow still in my freezer. After I don't share, some still day. You know why? Rainy day. You know they spoil. Light don't come out in Nigeria. Now generator. I also go just that the cut and small more. Honey, something cut and more. Things get as if it go cost more. Because belly not get mirror. So now beg I will beg una. Make una not put yourself under pressure because of Christmas. No damn again. Manage what you get. If peradventure you know somebody take cook rice, no shame. Check go your neighbor house. Just say neighbor, now cook rice. If your neighbor give you fine, if you don't give you no problem. Just manage as it be. So Victor, I know say longer through your area and make you talk now.
All right, very quickly, I would like more first lay foundation on the word Christmas.
The people know the foundation.
I know
You want still to not prolong the some people know they celebrate Christmas. No, just start at beg.
I want refresh your mind.
My brother, no go start what you no go finish.
Yes, but I want refresh your mind.
Okay now. Floor dey open.
The season now season to extend love to each other.
Oh my God.
That might be the importance of that season.
Christmas.
To extend love.
So people know they celebrate Christmas.
To each other. You will imagine say 5 people go dey compound, for example. the 5 of them, they don't marry or they get children, they go cook. But you believe say they will come they share food give themselves. Go carry mama Peter.
Now before you know they happen again.
They happen again.
No, talk, go ahead.
Mama Peter go carry food, go give Mama Paul. Mama Paul to go carry food, come give Mama Peter. That's the essence of the season. But before, from January, February, March, the rest of them, people they cook, put their food for their freezer. But you notice that December, that Xmas, that New Year period, now time when they say people they exchange and extend love to each other. This is the reason why we say this Christmas, I go be for Nigeria, I go be for Edo State in a time like this.
It go red though.
When we understand,
say boo John is politics
when we understand what happened for the world in this 2020,
COVID-19, coronavirus,
face a whole lot of challenges, and amidst those challenges, coupled with the negligence of our government in terms of corruption, and everywhere tight. So we ask ourselves one vital question: say, how we go take survive for this December period?
Make we manage it together, my brother.
This is why we come say, we tell ourselves, say, mama, papa, brother, sister,
no kill yourself.
Christmas no be do
that fair.
Like Apostle talk earlier. See, even though say you no get money, I beg, use that credit. Take call your mama, your papa for village. Mama, how una dey? In short, send them money like 3,000 or 5,000.
If you not can't get 5,000, call.
No, you don't understand what I talk. Instead of to the try say you want enter motor 10,000 or 15,000 to go village. No, they talk they go. So instead of saying you want to go borrow money to take go village, why not just send that 2,000?
Give them.
Or that 3,000. When you get, you don't know how much or how far that 2,000 or that 3,000 go far. So that's why we say, okay, fine. Christmas no be do or die. Which Apostle to talk initially. Say, okay, fine. For those of us, when you know say, a guy said will be mama, we want to try more advice ourselves now. If not to gather small money, as your husband they give you small, just gather.
Take small high.
Take small, you understand? To know say this one are for rice. You go take buy rice. This one now to go take buy half kilo of turkey or chicken as the case may be, or na fish. Just see the way you go take prepare the house. Small. Why? Because we know, see everywhere tight. We know.
No borrow because of Christmas. I beg.
No borrow because say
you want to impress people now.
Who you want to impress? I beg. Our husbands too. Okay, me I no be husband. No one know what in the call.
Which one be our husband? Are you married?
No,
what do you mean? What do you mean by our husband?
Sorry, sir.
No, are you not a woman, wife? Because the way you talk, they say our husband. Are you a wife?
I make mistake. I want to say our fathers.
I don't understand you.
Then our apostle not be husband.
Talk and where people they hear you.
Our fathers like apostle. Make una too help us the cooperate with our mama.
We dey cooperate now. How we not the cooperate?
No. I know not the cooperate.
We dey come.
Many times.
We dey cooperate.
How not the cooperate?
Good. See, you see all these children now. They drag our leg come and say we know they cooperate. Do you know say we as father, we don't give money to our wives. We don't get a small for Christmas, for New Year.
Out of 10 husbands.
We dey try.
Out of 10 husbands.
We dey try.
Out of 10 husbands.
We dey try. Out of 10, 8 they try. Out of 10 husband.
Talk
about it be. Tell friend truth, don't dey spoil friend.
For Nigeria.
For the we dey try now. We dey try.
Out of 10 men.
8. Yes.
They gather money give their wives.
They try.
I know say they don't try. I they talk about how they cooperate.
They cooperate
to gather money save for their wives.
You know, situation. You know, situation. Oga don't look everywhere.
So they say apostle daughter for Oga Bubu now. So that is
my brother. Tell friend truth, don't spoil friend. Oga Bubu don't spoil everything.
So that's why our fathers only try, have you?
Hey, make father go kill himself.
So our fathers only try.
We dey try. We'll go kill ourselves. But more come to our head give una before that no say we dey try.
We expect.
What do you expect?
So okay, fine. So now imagine now.
Wait. Pikin no give papa for Christmas.
Pikin never start to dey work.
What about the small money with things? Not be money we dey give una since. We no dey not be food na dey chop since.
The money una dey give us, not be money.
No, till they remove small. Go. See, Christmas don dey come now. When last una don call us say that day you do well, una send a text message to appreciate us. Una dey thank us.
Na this one we dey do am well.
Una no dey do am, una dey try. Send the money go give them for village. Say, mommy, I don't feel combo. Take money, You know,
Because
compulsory you must travel.
transportation go high.
Transportation go high, and that one go still reduce the accident
Eh.
for our road. But some women now don't want to part themselves because neighbor cook stew. If your neighbor cook stew with turkey, try. If not snail, cook stew with snail. I don't say onions, don't dey now. Manage
No put
onions.
onions.
Don't put onions,
Put
no
garlic.
problem. Put garlic or put ginger. You go walk, you go scent. If one man say we put curry, then you open window. All the aroma go spread. Don't you see they cook wonderful stew. We make chenere. Agbo man buy. See, belle no get mirror. Wait till you chop, not be your own.
All right, so make me to add small mouth. John, my brothers, young boy like me too. Time don't reach for us to understand. Say we need to dey support our parents. No matter how much we get, no matter how little it be, at least we too we dey hustle, we dey do small work. We suppose dey save small, dey for time like this to support our parents. Ah, papa, na this shoe I see buy you, buy the shoe give am. Mama, na this wrapper I see buy you, buy am give am. Appreciation. Belle go sweet both your papa and both your mama. And also note, abeg, this time no be time when you come dey mount pressure say because say papa A buy iPhone for pikin.
You should make it bad for you.
Because say
No, don't give your papa.
you.
See, like I go use you to start. Victor,
Sir.
do your ear. I know say you be big boy.
Yes, sir.
No dear call your papa say Daddy, Christmas is come. Which you buy anything for me?
You want me to tell you my story life on air?
Because you know say I don't tell the way for the con that day.
Okay.
You don't get that money once you give your papa now.
As I did so, Apostle, for I feel remember the years when they don't buy me clothes last. In short, Apostle.
No, your talk good. They don't take.
It don't take. Now me even train myself for university, so you don't.
Now we train
so
ourselves.
Finish, abi?
So
now so it be. But I appreciate my parents. Why? Because they give me the foundation, primary and secondary level. If I don't get that foundation, wait I won't go fight for university. So I appreciate that primary and secondary foundation when they give me. When I feel they look so if I need to further in my university, and I appreciate them like 100% because that now and then they call 247. Ah, Victor, how are you doing? How we studies? How is this? How is that? I mean, to I use my head. So this is now why we say okay, fine. This period like this, I beg, mama, papa,
take a measure. I beg.
No go borrow money for
I beg.
Lapo.
No borrow money for Lapo because of Christmas. I beg. Manage what you get. I beg. See Christmas every day for our area. Mama Efe, come. If by next week I don't see one bag of rice from my house from your hand, you're in trouble.
Okay.
I don't tell you now. Mama Efe, you don't start now.
Season they celebrate every day.
See, Mama Efe, if by next 2 weeks I don't see one bag, call see from you, bag of rice. I hear say na 40,000 and if I don't one bag of Efe, now you are the talk to so. Mommy Efe Okoje, make I tell you now. One bag of rice, turkey, the granite oil, Maggi, carton of Maggi, tomatoes.
Now my wedding list.
I talk of Christmas, they talk about wedding list.
My wedding list.
Where did be your service boy? Come, you are becoming something else. And they talk to Mama Efe now. And everybody here now the whole world, Mama Efe. Between now 2 weeks time, yes, no be God tell me, I mean they tell you so. One bag of rice,
okay,
turkey,
okay.
If you don't afford turkey, chicken. 10 liter of granite oil, okay. 10 liter of palm oil or 4 liter. No, 4 liter too small. 10 liter when I was share. Okay. Then which other thing? Salt, pepper,
yam.
Okay. Then finish. Then at the wait time, quick, calculate the money. You know reach 100,000. So I'll give my account number now. You just send out come say a pastor for Christmas because now time now they talk. But no go borrow give me money. I don't send you.
As Apostle talk, I heard the watch am. I know why they watch am.
Look at now your wedding list. Brother, I go for you. Come, don't go there. Oh.
Very quickly, we need to also call on our young people.
Yeah, calm down.
To please calm down. In a time like this, please let us cooperate together
with our parents.
To also ensure, say we no cause anarchy in terms of insecurity. You understand?
No, but I been talking about drinking. Nanado begin to drink anyhow.
So we know say una go bar, we know say una go club, We know now go enjoy ourselves. We know somebody go snatch your babe. And we know.
Some people snatch your boyfriend. You know some people get boyfriend though. You are supposed to be married to Jesus.
We know say somebody go mash you for leg. We know when person don't drink, maybe you don't know. You come mistakenly mash your shoe. We know. I beg, if all this is happen, I beg, no cause wahala.
Just leave am.
As the person mash, you no tell you story. Just look and say.
If you slap you for here, give am this side say slap. You peace go your rain.
I beg, just get the mindset say because of saying that December we dey so.
I for sure.
I no go fight this person. Why? The reason why we dey say all this now because say me will not go to get another issue of insecurity for the state when people come start to fight themselves. They will say you ask say wetin cause am. You hear say I see a pull hand for my girlfriend neck.
Why you people get girlfriend sef?
Wetin cause the fight be that one? And before you know they will start to shoot they kill themselves. I beg young people wanna cooperate with us. Wanna share extend hands of love for this period. We know say everywhere go tight. CC too when go buy new gown.
Take her easy. I bet don't use your gun. Take go keep boys. Oh,
you get why?
Calm down, please.
When buy a new gown, please let us dress moderate.
If you not get bro, no vessel, no. I not cut and money I cut for your mouth.
Okay, sir.
I not cut for your mouth.
Okay, sir.
I beg, my sisters, I just go beg you. If you don't get money to fix eyelashes, leave them. You don't need eyelashes.
They even paint them for eye.
You dey put the glue go still glue your eye. You dey damage your eye. You must see. You must not fix eyelashes. You don't need support. You don't be muscle. You must carry Ghana with on. I just go beg you. If money not dey, just go one baby salon, make them cut your hair. Abolo, you are fine. You try water go dey enter.
Yeah. Person no fit work. Oma work.
You know he working.
Oma work.
Make her go borrow money.
No be the bro. Our papa, you did it now. You must bring money. They do Ghana.
That I get choice. No be. I know give money for Ghana with on. I will give you money. May go buy trade pelebe. You weave or you weave it.
Like all those deeper life for New Year.
They're not fine.
Nobody say they're not fine. But
my brother, go see that.
Our sisters must look Ghana weaving.
Have they not been Ghana weaving? Must it be? There have been Brazilian weaving, Indian weaving, Kafachan weaving, and which other weaving again? Iyokodon weaving. All of them weaving. If you not see rest, take and calmly. Or you shave your hair. So boys, you don't need to plait your hair. Shave your hair, me fine.
Of course.
I just go beg you. All those drinking. When I not drink up and I just go beg una. I beg because by the time you don't take one mokite, take one animal bitter, your death will come begin a bitter. Mokite. What be mokite? Your tail will come long. You know the reason why. I just go beg una. Christmas no be do all that affair. So my brother, talk to your youth for that side because they talk to because me I go to talk to some mama now. We want impress. You go take and say, oh my neighbor, you see my neighbor, you buy this shoe for Peking. You want to go put yourself on that pressure to buy shoe for Peking. Not do one more. I just go beg you.
Make I face my people when we they call peer group. And I know.
Which one be peer group again? Peer group.
Peer group now.
Which one be peer? Is it peer with the plot for tree?
No, people when they my age mates.
We be okay. Peer group.
We both call them bracket age.
Okay, bracket. Okay, oh yeah, beg.
More talk like guy to guy. If you don't know how to drink, when I know say when I always tell us say Bible say, Victor, I'm happy. You don't get woman. You don't get woman. The prayer. Thank you, man.
Now you give her?
Yes, now.
It is well. You not tell me.
All right. As I talk, they go. I know say some of us we don't really open Bible say more drink, but more no they drunk. So
what you need? What you be drink? Don't go quote the Bible. Take go kill yourself.
No, not then they talk.
Okay, not them. Why you call the other year?
No, I talk to my peer group.
Okay.
They talk about my ESC.
Sorry, no verse.
All right, sir. So,
I'll listen.
Now they always tell us say, how you go say more no drink? When Bible say more drink, but more no they drunk. Okay. Inside that same Bible too, the Bible can't come out, can't tell us say, hard drinks are not meant for kings. Because if kings take hard drinks,
they'll come and get them misbehave.
They go start to make the wrong decision. So the Bible don't open us to understand say. Now your decision to be either king or to be messenger. Now understand why? Because the Bible can later tell us say, and this hard drink so is not meant for kings. So now you can't decide to be either kings or to be a messenger. So you are left with that. So, but for those of us when still want drink, I beg, know wetin you suppose drink. Abeg, if you know say your power no carry 2 bottles, abeg no take am. You know your
Ready to die, bros. You want die now?
Bible no say now.
See me, I tell you.
Bible say give strength
See,
to those who are ready to die.
You go
But no be now.
You go dey get am small. Small.
Small. Na this small how you talk so.
Small. See, as you dey take am, before you know, you go dey burn your intestine. Before you begin to misbehave. That which you come pull leg, then you come begin to drink anyhow. My brother. Anyway, they justify yourself. Continue.
No, I was not beside the justify myself.
Continue.
I just dey try to open up.
They talk to your peer group.
You
Continue.
understand? So now the language we understand.
Continue.
Old.
Continue.
Now the language.
Now you old though. Come. Now you old though. Don't let my wife hear am for you, man. If my wife hear am say I don't old, you are in trouble. Never you say so. You be in trouble.
Okay, sir. What did they call people like now?
We are still young men. I'm under 18.
Now they bury them out for this country. I mean bury the youth.
Burying our youth.
Okay, sir. So as they say they go, you know your power.
Yeah.
I beg, please watch what you drink. You know what you are supposed to be taking. You know your brand. Everybody, you know your brand. You know what you dey take before. I beg, watch what you dey take. Make you no go take what you no supposed to take. You understand? When you no go take what you no supposed to take, may you call it disturb. And our ladies too, una too know say this period.
No be to flirt.
No be to flirt.
I beg. No be to flirt. Why you?
Inside.
No go carry bed. No verse. I know she dey talk now. Oh yeah, no verse.
No.
Now money I cut for your mouth. No be na money. No be word.
Okay,
na money.
But
money.
I'm supposed to continue, sir.
And na money. My sisters, all those boys don't they come from Mali, oh. Those boys they don't they come from Malaysia, oh.
From Ghana.
They don't they come from Ghana, oh. I beg you, don't let them use you to do ritual come out, oh. You don't go carry your kidney come out. I just go beg you. Why you? You don't let your eye die for money, my sister. I been talk to your people.
You get a video when go viral. I think 2 months ago. When I see the video and God, I shocked. They just dropped the girl for one junction. Sure, they look at everybody, bro. Now they say, now one motor just drop out. Move, come out. Where you they come from? You get the look. You say waiting happen. Before you know, after where you they come, where you they stay? Let's say they stay at Uchi. And what they do for here? They say I be a shower now. Before you know, I the turn. Now they come say, make she sit down for ground. She come sit down for ground. She just look at everybody like sacrifice.
The rest that they do is Zobo. Yeah, with Zobo.
Then I say, waiting be this. I beg our young sister.
Calm down.
Some of our guys, they are they chook for money. You understand? You get friend, you just jam the boy for road. You don't know him before. You know him before. They very, very careful. This period, na period when boys they intimidate boys. And so before you know, you just see say 5 boys, they drive GLK, the same color, either color white or color red or color blue. Small children. They use and they intimidate their fellow boys too. Before you know, some other boys go say them too, the one they drive that kind of GLK or Benz. And then before you see, they don't go chook hand for what they're not supposed to chook hand. This is why we say, look, we advise ourselves. Christmas, no be do
or die affair. Calm down.
You won't go visit that boy for house.
You don't know what you carry.
Some of our boys, they use drugs, so
they go finish you.
They use drugs for
they go finish you.
We need to open our mouth, they tell ourselves the truth. More educate ourselves. Some before you reach some boys' house, they don't already mix some people for drink down. Say, may you come out, they'll give you drink. Some girls go say, me, I be mumu, I'll just reach out. They drink where they already open, I'll come drink. You get the way some boys they do I'll
tell them more.
It get some drug, they will put her inside injection, when they call a syringe. They will come carry 5 alive. They go inject them from the top of the 5 alive. Just their injection syringe, a very tiny hole. They will inject her inside. They will come shake them. They will come go put her inside fridge. So as the girl come, they go don come. You know say sun hot for Nigeria. So when sun don beat her head, as she enter inside house, they will come give her the 5 alive. The girl will come shake her. The
She
girl will
open
come
up by herself.
as she do by herself, her mind go balance small. Say na she open her by herself. She will turn and put for cup. As she turn and put for cup, hey, I give her 3 to 5 minutes. That girl,
It don't come out.
she go dey cry to meet man. Even though say there be 10 men, she go ready for the 10 of them. And nothing go do her
Because of drug.
because of drugs. I beg our young ladies, I beg, watch where you go to. Please, why? Because we don't see all these things for news. We don't read about them. And if you see girls when they be casualties of this experience, it dey pain us for heart. It dey pain us for heart. Say, why would they have to go through all this? And they are victim of all this most times because of, number one, ignorance, because they don't have access to information. Number two, for those of them when don't get access to information, because of longer truth.
Longing.
Because of longer truth, there was waiting they talk. And I know
Na him know pass. That's a spiritual pass.
So before you know, they go, their eye go see waiting.
They're not supposed to
see. Now why we say, make we talk to ourselves, young people, young boys are big.
Why, calm down.
You don't need to do, if you know say, you get the way your body, they tell you about one girl, go pray. Come meet apostle, my apostle pray for you.
Pray to do it.
Maybe you won't marry again.
Okay, on that one, I'll cancel you. If you're not ready to marry, don't sleep with any girl. Zip up, look for palok. Sharp. Mama June don't talk about all those girls. So those of you who know how they choke, say you don't see marry, one marry. Or the girl, you don't see girl, one marry, I just go beg you. Come for counseling. No dualize am. I just go beg you. Don't dualize. Get a spiritual and physical palok. If at this season of Christmas, no unmarried people should sleep with themselves. If you are not married, don't sleep with anybody. Look for palok, kind. Zip up. For the lady, which you go look for spiritual zip up. Wear leggings. Please, I just go beg you. Christmas no be to misbehave. Christmas season is no be to misbehave. No be the time to say, let me see the happening boy or happening girl in town. You end up destroying yourself. That's why they bring this broker this evening. I just go beg you. No mess yourself up in the name of Christmas has come. That is not the purpose of Christmas. Wayo, I beg you now.
And also for those of us when they use our road, I beg, more will learn how to use the road
wisely.
For driver, they drive. What be the speedometer when you take the drive? Why be say the journey of 4 hours when you know you won't reach there in 2 hours? You know, say this journey, now 4 hours journey, but you don't calculate for your mind. Say you want from Benin, come Lagos, and then go back again to Benin that same day.
Wow.
And you also understand the condition of our roads. You know the condition of our roads. So, I beg, we dey appeal to our drivers. Please, before you enter road, check your tires very well. Check your
road
tires.
safety.
Check your brake.
Everything. Put extra water beside boot.
Inside boot.
Get spare tire.
Get spare tire.
No travel for night.
You understand? That was very, very vital. Very, very vital. I beg. Leave very early so that no matter how say hold you for road, at least latest 6 p.m. you don't reach your destination. Why? Because say we no fit guarantee the safety of any Nigerians right now, because even our President Bubu,
my brother,
no fit guarantee security.
He never die. I beg, Mona take an issue.
You understand?
You don't care.
And for the passengers too, when they use the road, if you eat something, for example, no throw away and put for road.
Keep on for some motor.
So you will see some people they travel for highway, they will chop banana, they will throw them for major.
Put for road.
Highway.
Pure water throw away.
You can't tell the woman when like maybe she sits down there, you can't say, mommy, why did shut up your mouth.
You will shout for you.
What do you
They concern you.
What are you telling me? You understand? So I beg for those of us when they use the road, more ensure say we use the road wisely. Why? Because say we know say our government and they know they responsible enough to help us.
Not be enough. They never be responsible at all.
So say they won't come the employ people when go clean up everywhere. So we will make the road affordable. We will make the road reliable as well. When people feel pass without further accident. Apostle, sir.
So, my people, tell friend truth, you know this boyfriend. Now, here we'll round up this broadcast this evening. Maybe every day we'll talk for the whole hours. But I believe, say, we don't drive the message, give you now. Christmas, no be do that affair. Manage what you get. No borrow money to impress anybody. Talk to your children, children understand. Children talk to your parents, parents will understand. Those of you we say you must travel by fire by force. No travel for night. No travel for night. Now there is no safety on our highway.
No security.
No
No
security.
police.
No police. Calmly. If you see say get as it be, send the money, go give your family. The money for transport and the rest, send and go. The time go for social media. When I do Facebook, Facebook Live. When I do Facebook Live, when I do Zoom, make una do WhatsApp video, una messenger, una go see una self. That's all. That to go kill yourself, say you must come travel. I beg. Those of them way there abroad, if body just get you, give you signs, say me not travel. I beg, no travel.
Very true.
I beg. You know me say you must come Nigeria. The money for ticket, gather around, or you should not come give your family.
Yeah.
When they take back out, make a shop. The one that do Facebook message live, Facebook Messenger, or use WhatsApp or Zoom. When I go see you yourself, that's where they be. They may understand because the country not safe now. The truth be say we must all play our part. I beg, Christmas no be do that affair. If you not get money to take chop right, tell your neighbor. Say neighbor, I not get right. So if your neighbor, I beg, Mona no dey greedy. This is Mona no dey selfish.
Yeah.
I beg, this is a season of love. Even if you know they celebrate Christmas, people they celebrate. Share, give them. I beg you, assist your neighbor. If God bless you, you buy one bag of rice. See, share, give your neighbor. Very important, so that the love go flow. When we dey grow up, we dey go our neighbor, go to the shop. That time, man, no be here. We carry spoon for our own pocket. You know, carry spoon that here. Spoon there our pocket. We dey move from our neighbor. We dey chop rice, they go, they drink. They share money, give us. But you know they happen again because of fear and insecurity of insecurity. So I beg, Christmas no be do or that affair. Wayon, kere, small. No borrow money to buy cloth. No borrow money to buy shoe. No borrow money to do anything say because you want to impress anybody. Just be yourself. If possible, you don't get cloth. You know supposed to buy cloth. Carry your old cloth. Carry go dry cleaner. They go iron.
Go smooth.
You go smooth. I beg. This one our advice this evening. Una well done.
All right, my country people, thank you so very much. Say una tune in for today, our evening broadcast, Talk Am As It Be, when we put our matter, when they very vital for us this evening. Christmas, no be do or die affair. I beg, no we ensure, say, most importantly, let us extend love to the next person that is close to you. You get why? Why? Because say, that 500 naira, that 1,000 naira, you don't know how far that 1,000 naira fit go. You don't know how far that 500 naira fit go. You don't know how far that plate of rice fit go. Why? Because those days, get stories when my mama tell us, say you get one family, when we say the woman, now only she dey with 4 children, the husband don't die. And he reach that New Year day, as everybody dey cook for compound, everywhere they saint, then the woman, she need to enter kitchen. She enter kitchen, they wash, they do everything. She wash plate, carry the plate, go put for parlor, arrange am, cover am for parlor. Just get mind, get faith, and then before you know, why my mama say she tell her say why she do that na to give the children hope.
Say food go come.
Dey come. She say lo and behold, na she enter inside room say God, which kind life? She dey cry inside room. Before you know, you tell me na person knock for her door. As person knock for her door, before you know na food. Thank you, now she collect the food. Call the children come, they eat. Una no know how far that plate of rice when that neighbor bring come, just to give those children hope and sense of belonging. Say yes, they be human being as well. So please, this season is called the Yuletide season, where we need to extend love to each and everyone around you. Thank you so very much.
Tell friend truth. You know the spoil friend though. If you don't know how to show love before, this is time to show love to your brother, even to your enemy.
Yeah.
Show love to everybody. Show love. I beg una do Christmas. no be do other affair. As I felt talk before, if you not get money to do with on, buy Ikpelebe, you are okay. My brother say deeper life, no be deeper life. You find well. If you don't get what you buy earring, go look for.
No, waiting. They must wear earring. Now they will take fine.
Must they wear earring? Okay, that's true.
Okay.
Buy small pin earring, 15 naira. You never maybe 100 naira. Must you buy expensive earring?
No,
put small earring, 1.5 on. You put and you find. Then my guy, when I not go do that, I just go beg now. No go wear low waist. I just go beg. You no go put tattoo for body. I just go beg now. No go paint your hair. Leave your hair as it be. Una do Christmas. No be do other affair. Make una use una sense. God bless you now.
Thank you, and God bless you.
Now where you don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa and Victor, let us know what you think for comment section. If you get anything to add, just put on there for comment section. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video to friends and family. Make them for still hear this advice where you yourself don't hear so from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make I leave you now with the video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.